Alright guys, 2020 Mack Anthem. I'm doing a smart drive camera. Camera goes up there, go around, down. I put my sensor bar right there, fish it down. The camera wire I run around here, down, okay? Then they'll meet up down here, zip them together. You're gonna use cable number 7. Your connections are right here. Up here, 3 screws and this top comes off, and then you'll get your power also here. There'll be a battery and an ignition cable further, white with orange wires right there. All the slack can go in here. Mount your keypad right there. Just kind of fish it down there. You can pop the trim a little bit and you can squeeze the wire in there. And then for the controller, I found the easiest way to do it is 3 zip ties, the ones they provide for you, they're long ones. And just shoot it around the back of that AC vent, and that's what holds it, and the cover will slide back in place. And to take that off, it's 4 screws, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. Right there and right there, and that's it.